Are you having trouble charging your iPhone past 80%? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is usually due to a feature called optimized battery charging, which is designed to help preserve your battery's health. But if you want to change it beyond 80%, I've got a simple solution for you. Let's dive in and fix this issue together. Solution 1. Turn off optimized battery charging. First, open up the settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down a bit and tap on battery. If you have a newer iPhone, select charging. For older iPhones, tap on battery health and charging. Then, turn off the optimized battery charging option. This feature helps reduce battery wear, but turning it off will let your iPhone charge all the way past 80%. After that, plug your iPhone back into the charger and see if it continues charging past 80%. Now go ahead and restart your iPhone to make sure the changes take effect. Solution 2. Use a different charging cable and adapter. Try switching out your charging cable and adapter with a different Apple-certified one. If you have the chance, plug your iPhone into a different power source or outlet to rule out any issues there. After that, connect your iPhone with the new cable and adapter and check if it starts charging past 80%. If it still doesn't work, let's move on to the next solution. Solution 3. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update to see if there are any updates available. If there is an update, go ahead and install it. Software updates often include fixes for charging and battery-related issues. Solution 4. Reset all settings. First, go to Settings. Tap on General. Next, scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. After that, choose Reset all settings. This will reset things like your Wi-Fi passwords, but don't worry, your data will remain safe. Now, once your iPhone resets, plug it back into the charger and see if it changes past 80%. And that's it. By following these steps, your iPhone should be charging past 80% in no time. I hope this helped. If you're still having trouble or have any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.